Hey guys, so today we are going to do a bunch of Animal Company memes, and I'm gonna whatever with my special guest, and it's my cousin.
The heck was that?
Yo,
Yeah!
ignore him for a little bit, and so we're going to do a special one because we hit 200 subscribers and our next goal is 300. And my big goal is to get verified and have the check mark, bro. And I want the whatever content creator hat. So if you guys can do it, yeah, let me stop yapping about stuff and let's get back to
I thought you already hit 200 subscribers like 5 years ago.
No, okay, whatever. Yeah, let's get to the video.
Yo, I look so dripped out with the Messi jersey and this mask and this hat, bro. This is so cool, bro. These eyes too, I just got them. This is so drippy, bro.
Bro, you do not look drippy. You do not look drippy, dog. That's what you get for hitting me, dog. No, get up, bro. Get up. Ow.
Oh, I dropped my item.
Ha 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 ha! I got your item.
Oh, my ears! My ears!
My ears too!
My ears!
Bro, give it back! Give it back! Give it back!
That's crazy.
Here's your item back! Ha! Stole it again! Stole it again! Stole it again!
Oh my goodness! It's a plane!
Actually, I think that's a atomic bomb.
Timmy, get off the games. You've had enough. No! Give me that. Hey!
Ow, my ears!
Hey, that's enough!
Should I call child abuse? Yo, look, I had the rarest thing to trade in the game, bro.
No, you don't.
Help me!
I'm gonna go check it out.
Okay.
I'm the poop
Oh my
monster.
God! The police officer, save me! Oh my goodness! Ew!
Ah. Okay, cut it.
Wow, I love looking in the shop. Yo, bro, who is this guy? He
Who's
looks
he?
suspicious. Let me take a picture of him real quick.
I'll be watching him.
Oh my God!
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Actually,
Blow.
I have a bomb!
Nah, he literally jump scared me.
I have a bomb!
He literally jump scared me.
Now move! Yay! Boom, boom, boom!
Let me check
That's
his
what
pulse.
you get, bud!
He's still alive.
Boom! Boom!
Okay, that's good. Okay. Yo, I look so dripped out with the Messi jersey and this mask and this hat, bro. This is so cool, bro. These eyes too, I just got them. This is so drippy, bro.
Bro, you do not look drippy! You do not look drippy, dog! Ah! That's what you get for hitting me, dog. No, get up, bro. Get up. La, la, la. Oh my god. My god. Did bro eat a bean? I need to go to the bathroom. Bro, what? Why is there a go-go in the bathroom?
Oh wait, I just realized I ran over a kid like 2 seconds ago.
I'm his mom. Why did you do that, dog? You can't run away from me. He got run over. Where did you go, boy? You okay, dude?
Yo, she's still coming!
You run over my child. I will run over. I'll kill you. Now go in my basement. Crying over pixels.
I'm leaving!
Yo, wait, don't leave. I'm
Yeah,
sorry,
you
bro.
better
I'm
leave,
sorry.
bro.
I'm sorry. Don't leave. Don't leave. I promise. I won't bully you anymore.
What is happening? No, that's not mine! I can turn
He'll give you the Labubu, dog. He'll give you the Labubu. He'll literally give you the Labubu,
my phone back!
Bro, what? Give me your phone back.
Ouch! Down! I'm living!
Yo, rage quit.
Oh
Rage
my
quit.
God.
Rage quit. One. One. All right, bro. You want to trade?
Yeah.
Okay. Take.
Scammer get scammed, 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 scammer get scammed,
Yo, bro. Hey, yo, bro.
Scammer get scammed, scammer. Ah, you can't get. I'm reporting you to the Discord! Well, yeah, bro was cooked. Might as well run bro over again. Hold on. Okay. Yeah. Oh, his legs are gone. Okay. Yeah, bro is dead. What's up, guy? Okay. Company news. We're going to talk about how the frog is the worst animal to use. Revive me! I'm gonna report you to the Discord! Oh my gosh! No, don't steal my brain rot! Don't steal my brain rot! No! Ah!
Bro, what are you doing?
It's like still a brain rot. Want to see my brain rot? Revive me! Or report you to the Discord! Oh, I love these chips. This stuff is so good. So good. Ooh, a bean burrito?
Bro, what are you doing?
Bro, I'm eating like chips, bro. You want some?
Bro, go play soccer or something, man.
We're done. Let me eat this burrito. Hey, what happened?
You're so... Actually, nah.
No! My burrito!
I'm gonna eat it.
No!
And these are going away. These are all going away. Now go touch some grass, bud.
No!
Now go touch some grass. Or I shoot you.
No! I'm sorry!
Now go touch some grass, bro.